A look at Indiana head coach Frank Vogel, who demonstrated his basketball skills at a very young age. Back in 1986 as a 10-year-old. As it turns out, Frank appeared on David Letterman's Stupid Human Tricks and was a smash hit.
Frank Vogel. Frank, where are you? Hi, Frank. Nice to have you here. You're going to knock every tooth out of your head doing this. Yeah! Very nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, 10-year-old Frank Vogel out of Wildwood, New Jersey. That was pretty good.
First of all, I'd like to know one thing. What makes that stupid? Because here's a young man that's working on his dental hygiene, brushing his teeth, and working on his game. What makes that a stupid trick, Mr. Letterman?
I think you've lost it, Reg. Back here in Indianapolis.